it's your girl Morgan Sinclaire, and I'm back again for another video. If you're new to my channel, hi love, hit that subscribe button and welcome to our family. And if you're old to my channel, what it do, what is up, what's good, it's your girl back again for another video. And today I'm going from basic to a baddie. I mean, period. There's nothing but in 2020. So if you want to know how I achieve this look and how I stay oh so bad, keep on watching.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on.
Alright, right here I'm looking basic as F, but I'll fix that with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I love this primer oil. It's very hydrating, especially for the winter time, and I love to use it behind the Smashbox foundation, which I'll be using next. So like I said, we're using that Smashbox Studio Fix foundation. I love this foundation. It mixes very well, blends very well with my skin, and doesn't dry out, especially with that primer oil. We do not want the skin to dry out. Now I'm using my LA Girls Pro Concealer, and I'm just going to conceal my eyes. I really like using this concealer. I don't have to use too much, so I just kind of make a triangle underneath my eyes, then go down the bridge of my nose, and then on my forehead, and maybe around my frown lines, around my mouth. And I'll be taking my beauty blender and blending. Yes, if my best friend was here, she'd be like, blend girl, blend. So that's what we'll be doing, blending. I love beauty blenders. Soaks up all that excess makeup, makes it so smooth. The blend will be so just fine, and the finish will be matte. You want a smooth together finish. So now I'm using Fenty Beauty setting powder in the shade Hazelnut. I'm just blowing the excess powder off of my beauty blender and placing it on my face. Then I'm going to give it time to set, and then we're going to blend some more. I also wanted to carve out my cheekbones and give me a contour finish, so that's what you see me doing there. Now I'm blending. Blend, girl. Yes, blend. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We're going to get all of that. Make sure you get all of that. And so what setting powder does is like really like take out all it just soaks it up. It's like a sponge. It soaks it up, that wet concealer, wet foundation. If we want that matte look, that's what setting powder does. And here I'm showing you what my face looks like, blended and non-blended. The seam, the effort. And now we're going to blend the other side. Here I'm using Fenty Beauty Bronzer in Cocoa Naughty. Yes, ma'am, because we want our cheeks to be oh so naughty. Next, I'll be using the Modern Renaissance Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. And I'm just going to start using these colors. Guys, these colors are so pigmented. The color that I'm using now is called Regular. Yes. The next color I'm using is Primavera. underneath my eyebrows, I used burnt orange. Your girl loved burnt orange. It highlighted her brows just right. We appreciate it. Thank you. So I took regular and burnt orange underneath my eyes to make a really good smoky eye. I wanted to smoke out my lower lash line. I really didn't want to use any eyeliner, so that took the place of an eyeliner. Now I'm taking the Maybelline Master Precise to make a cat eye over my eyes. This took some real concentration, guys. I'm telling you, practice this at home. Now I'm taking the Kiss Lash Couture collection in brassiere. I love these lashes. First of all, they're stacked. I did have to cut them to my eyes. They were a little long for my eyes, but once I cut them, they were perfect. Better Than Sex mascara, and applying it to my lower lashes and then to my top lashes. Now I'm taking the Steve Laurent blush. And guys, this blush is super pigmented, so if you have it, be careful. Now I'm taking Posh Cosmetics highlight in voguish, and I will be voguing after this. I love this highlight. It's a little pink, but it has a little bronze in it, so it's perfect for this look. And you know my style, I always put a little bit in my tear duct. It just gives me an extra glow, and a little bit on my lip, and of course I have to define my nose. Quick tip, if you love this highlight, you guys can go to Poshmetics Cosmetics Instagram, where you can use my code MORG15 to get 15% off your purchase of any Poshmetics highlight. I am a Poshmetics fan, so definitely use my code. You will not be sorry. Now I'm using MAC Cosmetics Chestnut lip liner, and I applied this lip liner on really thick. And now I'm taking the LA Colors Lock It lipstick. You guys, I feel like this is my new favorite lipstick. It has lipstick on one side and lip gloss on the other, and best believe I used both, and it was the best lip combo ever. And these are my earrings, guys. I got these earrings from New York & Company. Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am. Vogue. Yes ma'am. And now we are a baddie. Just beautiful. Baddie, baddie, baddie. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want more videos on my channel, make sure you comment below and let me know. Also, everything will be in the description box below. Lastly, guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Pinterest. I love you lots. Be blessed. Bye.